So I'm getting ready to defrost my refrigerator and freezer in the RV. And so I thought I would just do a few clips of this as I go along. The first thing, of course, I've got to do is take everything out of here. A lot of this can sit out. It doesn't have to be refrigerated. I have all of this that needs to go into that cooler. But I think everything will fit. Whatever else I can get in here extra, I will. So let me get that started. Gotta make sure I have my handy little stool. This thing has come in handy for many things, but I need it to be able to move up and down or sit while I move things out of the refrigerator. Have it there and available. It sure is such a great help to have this. All right, so I like my water cold, and I left it in there overnight. So it's a little too cold, but I've got my cooler right here next to me. I went ahead and put it on the stool so I wouldn't have to bend down so far to get this stuff. But I'm going to get started out here. Yesterday I mentioned when I'm wrapping things, it's like the chicken. I do buy it frozen, a 3-pound bag, and it's a very good deal. I need to watch my budget very closely, and it's going to need to be even more important now. But I want to get this done. I did want to mention that one of the reasons why I had to get that meat out of that freezer yesterday is because garbage pickup is today. And I didn't want it sitting out there too long. So fortunately, I got that done just in time. Let me get this done. All right, the freezer is empty and everything is in here. There were some things I was not able to get in here, but I was able to get some frozen fruit and a couple other things into the other freezer temporarily anyway. It doesn't need to be that full. My daughter did say that her strudel was probably too old, but anyway, that's a start. Well, here it is, all nice and empty, and refrigerator has been shut off, and that, oh, cannot remember what it's called. That's just so strange. So that pan, instead of being down the bottom, I put it here. Hopefully it'll help catch some of the water as it defrosts. Really hoping that this won't take too terribly long. So everything is set for defrost. And I'm so glad I did that because I didn't realize how much I need to wash out that refrigerator. So this is a good opportunity to get things nice and clean. Oh boy. So I will get back with you. I don't think that this will hold this shot until this is done and I can get things put back, but this is a very important thing. So now the door is wide open. There's things here in the door. Most of it I don't have to worry about. The mayonnaise is brand new, hasn't even been opened yet, so this should be good. That cheese has been there. Have to look at that. I do have a little space. I'm put that in cooler. In fact, I think that's what I'm going to do right now. So hopefully this will hold until this is done and I can show you the results. Forgot how much fun it is to move things from one place to another, and what a mess. Oh my goodness. But in the end, it'll look really good.